Yeah, it's guys. So in the last session, have you completed the script, guys? Any doubts in this methods? How to use is displayed, is enabled, is selected, get text, and get attribute. That is not defined here. Get attribute. These are the methods we have seen yesterday. It returns attribute value. Relates. So any doubts, guys, in these methods? Have all of you completed the script, guys? Whatever I have shown you demo in the last session. I think so that is not. I didn't share these files yesterday, guys. So that's why I'm asking, have you completed the script? Anybody? Hello?
No, sir. Today we need to practice.
Okay, so yes, let me copy this snapshot. So that's all. So guys, all of you understand now these methods, what methods we are using? Where is that? First here we are using is displayed method. It returns. What is the value it returns, guys? Is displayed. Guys, I will also be silent. If you are silent, what is the value it returns? Is displayed.
Application will start up. Red bus applications.
Hey, no, what I'm asking, this method is displayed method, what it returns? What is the value it returns?
Elements, sir.
What is the use of is displayed?
To pop up element.
Pop-up element. What is it? What so is displayed method, what it will do? Last session, have you followed the last session, guys? In the last session, we discussed, right? I showed the demo, right? You forgot?
Web element will be
What it will do,
returns
man?
Boolean value.
Boolean value. What it is doing? What it will do is displayed method. What is displayed method?
Presence of web elements. It will be there on.
Yeah, it will check, it verifies whether any web element is displayed or not, right?
Yeah.
If it is displayed, it returns true value. If it is not displayed, it returns false value. All of you clear?
False.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, so next is enabled, right? Where is that? Yeah, here is enabled. What it will do? What is the is enabled method?
Getting the value
No,
is
what it
present.
will do first? What is not getting? What
Web element is present or not in web page.
present or not? That is what is displayed is doing, right?
Yeah.
Is present or is displayed, both are same, right? What it will do is enabled. What it will do? Guys, that method itself giving that meaning, right? It is a, that method itself, right, easily understandable. What it will check? Chandrasekhar, what is that is enabled will do? Ganesh, what is enabled method?
So actually I didn't attend yesterday's class.
Not attended.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Likita, what is enabled method?
Use it to check if it is enabled or not. So
Yeah, that's all. See that method name itself, right? What it is saying, man, is enabled. That is the method name. See, it verifies any web element is enabled or not. That's all. By looking that name itself, you can understand what it is. Why you are thinking or not, silent or not understanding, guys. See, is displayed. The name of that method itself, right? You can easily understand what it is doing, what it will do. It verifies whether this element is displayed or not. That's all. Whether this input element is displayed or not. Similarly, is enabled method verifies whether this element with this XPath is enabled or disabled. What is the value it returns? Is enabled method returns? Is the value it returns?
True or false?
True or false? Right? Yeah. And get text method. What is the use of get text method?
Clicking the text, sir, it is present or not.
Get, see that method name itself. See, is it verifies here? Whether this method verifies anything? It won't verify
No, sir.
anything.
I mean, if we type Chennai means it has to be.
So get a text. What it will do? It will get the text from the element. That is what it will do. Right?
Yes.
So get text name itself, you can understand from that method name itself what it is. The get text method just simply will get the text value from the element. That's all. What is the text it will get? The HTML text or the text displayed. That means generally the text value defined inside HTML text. Understand? So that HTML text value it will get from the element. That is get text method, guys. Okay, get attribute. Where is that? See, get attribute method. It returns what it will do. Get attribute method. Yes, if for every element there are multiple attributes, right? HTML attributes are available in the HTML file for any element. So if you want to get that any of the attribute, any attribute of any web element, if you want to get, so you can use this method, get attribute. It will get attribute value. That's all. So which attribute value you want to get, you have to define that attribute name as input. Then it returns. Then it returns this attribute value. That's clear now. Is the get attribute, get text. What is the difference between get text and get attribute? So the get text method we can use only to get the HTML text value. That's all. But this get attribute method you can use to get any attribute value of any web element. Guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And one more thing, we have seen that is selected, right? Is selected where we are using that with the check boxes. Generally, is selected method we can use it while working with checkbox, guys. So that example we have seen here. Let's see here, is selected, guys. So generally, to select a checkbox, okay, guys. What is the method we are using? Click method we are using to select a checkbox, guys. So you should not run this click statement directly. So before clicking this, running the statement, click action, what we need to do? You need to check that checkbox current state. If that checkbox is already selected, then you should not click that, correct? See here, I want to unselect the checkbox. That is a step I want to automate. I want to unselect the checkbox. For that, what we are doing first we are getting with what is the state of the checkbox. First, we are checking that whether that checkbox is selected or not. First, we are checking that first. See how we are checking that? By using is selected method. So this method returns true value if the checkbox is selected. This method returns false value if the checkbox is not selected. All of you clear? Is selected method, how it works. So this method returns true or false into this variable, Boolean variable. Now we are checking this Boolean value. If this Boolean variable value is equal to true, what does that means? What is the meaning of this? If this variable equal to true means the checkbox is selected or unselected?
Selected.
Selected, right? But we want to unselect that checkbox. So this condition is true. So this statement will be running. So now the checkbox will click and the checkbox will be unselected. All of you clear, guys? So this is how you should have to automate the checkbox selection or unselection, guys. Okay, let me copy this code also for your reference. So you please practice these two scripts, guys, okay, today. Okay, guys. So still today also I will continue the same get text and get attribute and these methods, guys. We'll continue the same session with one more example. Yes, now we are here, right? Yeah, guys, let us take red bus, okay? Now red bus. I'm putting this. Guys, here in this script, all of you understand, right? What we automated in this script in the red bus. See here, let us go through one more time. Let's see here, first we are checking. After launching the application, we are checking whether that from city text box is displayed or not. That is what we are checking here. From text box is displayed or not, we are checking. And after that, we are selecting from value Tambram. After that, we are trying to get what is the value displayed in the from text box, but we are getting empty value here. Yesterday we have seen that. And next we are checking two text box. We are checking now whether that two text box is enabled or not. That is what we are checking here. And after that, we are selecting two city value. And then we are clicking on, we are selecting the date, 9 date we are selecting. After selecting the date, we are getting that date, what is the date displayed in the date field. After selecting the date, particular day, then we are getting the date value, what is displayed in the date field by using get attribute method, guys. So this statement returns the date, which date is selected. So that date value it returns. The get attribute method. So here we are printing that date value. Then we are clicking search button, guys. So now let us run the script. Yeah. So it is working fine. As see here, it is the first validation, is displayed validation, and it is pass. After that, we are getting from city value by using get text method, but it is empty value. It returns, and then we are checking two text box is enabled or not. We are checking that, and after that, we are getting date value by using get attribute method. So the date value is printed. Okay, guys. See, guys, now today I want to print this first travel details, first bus details in this search results. I want to print the first bus which is listed here. This bus information I want to print travel's name and the departure time. Okay, guys, and price. So these, right? These information I want to print from this search results, guys. All of you clear, guys? What we need, I want to do. So here,
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let us create here another method. It's static void get bus information. Okay. So I want to get bus information from the search results, guys. Yes, here first let us see here how to get this travel's name, guys. Let us analyze this element properties locators. So here see that. Yes, first of all, you have to understand this search results page. Yes, complete search results page we have to understand, guys. How this search results page is displayed here. Okay, see now I am selecting this one. Yes, see that it is one particular row. If I click here, it is a division. Guys, see that. See it is highlighting the entire that particular bus first bus details, full details are selected, right? Understand guys, entire row is selected here. So if I go here, see that LI, it is also highlighting the same bus item, right? First bus item, it is highlighting guys. And this one, division also highlighting first bus item. All of you clear guys? See now, see this is the first bus item, correct? And it is second bus item guys, see that here. It is second bus item. And it is third bus item. So there are 5 bus items are displayed now. Inside this UL, see that UL bus items class. All of you guys clear? You guys see that? Let me scroll it down a little. Guys, see here, there are so many bus items are there, guys. See, before scrolling, if you see this page, guys, it is very typical. Now see that. Now it is showing how many items are displaying here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, something, 10 or 12. Suppose if I scroll down, guys, see that. This new message, guys, 1 second. Same email you have. Yeah, okay, guys. So we can see all these other details later. First, let us see here the first bus item, guys. So the first bus item is this one. All of you clear, guys? This division element. Inside this division element, say this is Li, and inside Li, again there is one more division. Inside this division, see this, guys. This is the image, first image. And next, you have, see this one, inside this division, let's see this one, this is the travel's name, where you have travel's name. Yes, see that. Inside this, again, this is the travel's name, right? What is the travel's name? Yeah, this is the travel name, guys. See that. So this is the text displaying there. V2K travels. Is it right, guys? So this is the element where that travel's name is displaying, guys. So how to identify this element? That is the point here. Now see how to identify this. So guys, see here, for this division, what is the class name? Travels. Travels is there, guys. Travels, and in 24 other values are there, but travels also is there. Fine. And this is the column name. That is fine. Column 2, guys, see that. That means in this particular row, see, this is the row. Understand? See this. This is the row, guys. Inside this row, this is the first column, guys. See that. It is the first column. So for that first column element, division they are using, and with the class name, column 2. For the first column, class name is column 2, guys. And inside this column, you have a division element with the class value travels. So from this element, you have to get that travels name. So the travels name is defined as HTML text. Is it right here? V2K travels is defined as HTML text. So how to get HTML text from this element? What is the method we have to use? How to get HTML text from the element, guys? What is the method?
Text method.
Get text method, right? get text. Okay. Okay. So once you find this element, then you can use get text method, and then you can get this particular travels name, whatever is displayed here. Understand, guys? So here the point is how you can identify this element. Right now you find two things. One is this element class is there, travels, and its parent element class is column 2. That is fine. Up to here you can find. See, what is this above parent, its parent? Row 1. See that there is a class called row 1. You got it, guys? Row 1 is there. Fine. And above its parent, so it is item details. That's fine. It is a first row 1. What is its parent? Yeah, again this one. Bus item. Yeah. Guys, okay, guys. Now see that first we have to go from here, guys. We have to start writing XPath. From which element you can write now XPath, guys? I can start from here, guys. See that. It is showing ID, but ID is numeric value, guys. So I can't go with this ID also, because always numeric values may change, guys. So don't use it. If any attribute contains only numeric values, it's better to avoid it. Okay, guys, ignore it. Okay. So then I have to start from this one, from here, guys. Bus items. Bus items. I think so. There is only one element with this class, bus items class. Let us see that, guys. Control F. I'm starting defining XPath /UL with class value. Class is equal to bus items, right? Bus items. Let's see that it is highlighted. There are two elements, guys. You can see that here. There are two elements with the bus items class. So it is the first element. See that one. That is what is currently highlighting. And what is second element? Let us see that. It is second element where you have again one more list, guys. You can see this here. There is two lists are there actually in this page. It is second list, guys. What is second list? 1 second, let me show you. Delete this, scroll down. Yeah, this one, guys. See, this is second list. See, showing 96 buses. All of you clear, guys? It is second list. The above, you can see first list. In the first list, how many items are displayed? See, 14 buses here. In the first list, only 14 items are there. But in the second list, there are 96 items are there, guys. So that is why here with the bus items, there are two elements are there with the class name bus items. Now let us go to first element. So this is the first element, guys. Guys, see, this is the result section. So inside this result section, ID is there. So I will use from here, guys. It is the best way. I can start writing XPath starting from here. Result section, guys. So let me define first one. What is a division, guys? Division at ID equal to result section. I copied it. Then inside result section, I want to go to bus items, guys, directly. I want to go to UL bus items. Guys, see that this UL, is it immediate child of this division? This UL, is it direct child for this
No.
division element? Not a direct child, right? Understand? See, now from this division element, I want to go directly to this UL. That means I want to ignore these two elements. I want to ignore this element, guys. There is one more element in between UL and between this division. There is one more division. See, for this UL, it is the parent, and for this, it is the parent, guys. That means between this division and this UL, there is one element, division. So I want to ignore that. I want to go directly from this division to this UL with the class value bus items. So how to go? See guys, here, if I define single slash, after this, I can define single slash, say that it is showing 0. It is showing 0 because this UL is not a direct child of this division. All of you clear? Because inside this division, there is no UL element. Understand guys? Inside this division, there is no child with UL name. So that is why it's showing 0. So now how to find from this element, how I can find this UL? Now see that I have to define here double slash. See that now it is highlighting. Yes, it is highlighting. This UL element is directly coming, highlighting, right? From this division, where is that? From this division, we are going directly to this UL, guys. See now how it is coming directly here by using double slash. What is single slash and double slash? If I use single slash inside the X path, what is the meaning of that? The next child should be a direct child. Suppose if the next element is not a direct child of the previous element, that means this UL is not a direct child of this division. So in such scenario, you should use double slash. All of you understand guys now? Where you should use double slash inside the X path. When you should use double slash inside the X path. See, X path always begins with double slash. That is beginning. That's fine. I'm talking when you should use double slash inside the X path. All of you clear guys? Not at the beginning. Inside X path also you can use double slash. But when it should be used, that should be clear. All of you clear? So this next element, if it is not a direct child of the previous element, then you should have to use double slash. If this UL is a direct child for this element, then you should use single slash. I hope all of you understand this point. Okay, guys? So I'm using here double slash and UL. So now, see, there are two elements with this UL. See, there are two lists are there, right? So I want to find the first list. So define here index. I want to find first list, guys. I think so, not here, guys. Where is this? Still it is showing two items, two elements. Bus items. Okay, guys. Yes, let me see where is that second UL. Okay, that's why it is not showing, guys. See, the second UL is not inside this division, guys. It is not inside here. Correct? See, this inside this division, there is only one UL, guys. I understand. Yeah, here you have one more UL. See, this is the UL, second UL. Okay, since I'm using double slash, it is showing two elements. That means it will find all the elements which are coming after this division element. Okay, so I want to find this particular thing. What I can do directly, division UL. Yes, let me add here division also. Let us see now. Now also it is highlighting two elements. Okay. And if I define one, still it is highlighting two elements. No, only one element should be identified. How to identify this particular element, guys? I want to find this specific element. Okay. AD result section, division with the scroll time. Yes, okay. Yes, now see, let me take this one, guys. Not instead of taking this UL, let me take this division. So I'm defining division, next division with class value is equal to